Hello students. In this lesson, we will learn about interviews, part 1. Interview is an interaction between two or more people. During an interview, there is usually an interviewee, a person who is supposed to answer the questions on one side. On the other side, there is an interviewing team, also known as interviewers, that consists of one or more person. An interview may differ from occasion to occasion as it is conducted to achieve different objectives. Interviews are usually conducted by the employers to recruit and select employees. Interviews are usually conducted by the media to know the opinions of intellectuals and well placed people on various issues that affect us in one way or another. Job interviews are the most common method of recruitment and selection of candidates for different jobs. Now we will talk about different kinds of interview. First, we have the screening interview. The purpose of such interview is to weed qualified, unqualified, and unsuitable candidates for a particular job. The interviewer here will be interested in looking for gaps in your employment history. He may ask you the reason for such gaps and what you did during this period. Obviously, you have to sound convincing. The interviewer usually looks for questionable matter in your biodata. The purpose is to disqualify you if your qualifications are not acceptable and convincing. The interviewer will also examine your earlier experience and the new job fit. The informational interview. The informational interview is conducted by a company keeping in mind the future requirements of employees. The immediate object is not to hire you, but to keep you on the list of candidates who are likely to be called for interview when the demand in your area of specialization arises. Here, the interviewer is more interested in knowing the details of your education and experience, your interests, and your future plans. Since the interviewer would be examining your prospective employment in the company in future, he is likely to ask questions to know your academic standard and communicative competence. The directive style interview. While conducting such an interview, interviewer will ask questions that are already prepared. Sequence, questions, and attitude of interviewer are supposed to remain same with all the candidates called for the interview. The objective is to compare the answers given by the different candidates and then select the best option. Thank you.